So 2019 Perodua Axia G spec ah, eh? Have to unlock twice ka? Why?
You gotta press twice, if not, it's only the driver's side.
Really? Wait. Move it back. Wow, seat height 都搞得㗎? Seat height, recline. It's okay. Okay, let's start the car. Key. Okay, hold on. Let me. Whoa, aircon. Manual aircon. What else?
What else?
Yeah, what else?
Auto down window for driver.
Auto down window. Yeah, RPM meter on the left. Fuel gauge on the right. Hey, give me more cool air. Alamak. So manual aircon controls. Everything is manual. You have auto window lah, they say, right?
Auto down only.
Yeah, auto down only ah. But I have auto folding mirrors ah. Both sides. Eh, really oh, 真係 auto down only oh. Okay, so 4-speed auto. Yeah, let's go explore how this car drives a bit. Well, I'm going less than 30 km/h and the road noise is already very apparent. They realize that more.
Especially at the back.
It's coming from the back. I feel like it's coming from the front though. But ride quality is quite okay lah at this speed, 30 km/h. Steering, okay lah. This car cost 35,000, right?
Somewhere around there.
Oh, it feels pretty nice actually. It's like a car. I mean, nothing much to complain about lah. For 35,000.
You're lucky to even get an engine.
Yeah. The car was blocking the whole road just like he didn't want to move. You said this car got auto wipers ah?
No lah, auto wiper.
Whoop! Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, move it. Gosh, let's go. Right. 1 liter engine. Oh, that's naturally aspirated 1 liter engine.
There's an eco sign.
Yeah, eco sign. It's not really eco mode, guys. It's just indicating that you're driving fuel efficiently. Oh my god. Oh, I can feel the strain. Yeah, he can. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa, 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 this is, oh my god, this is so scary. Wait, look at how close the lorry is. That second lorry was very close to me. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I'm guessing at this price you're getting half the extra suspension. No, just kidding guys, just kidding. What is the fuel gauge? Fuel gauge is over there. Oh, so do you get any fuel consumption settings?
I don't know, you can press and see.
Oh, 9.7 km per liter. The average as of current moment.
How many km has it done?
50 over, I think.
Still not properly running yet.
Oh, there is an instant fuel consumption gauge as well. So yeah, current trip is at 59 kilometers. Okay, it's pretty subtle. For a car this range, going through the bumps is not that harsh. Yeah, it's quite good. Although I can feel that the back is a bit light, so it may jump a little more. And then front is alright. But then air conditioning, radio, do you get Bluetooth function?
I don't know.
But you get power windows for all windows. There's a safety lock as well. Hang on. Let's go through this bump. That's alright. Okay, we're back at this road. This is where I actually accelerated I did the launch control video for the GLA 4550. Guys didn't watch that, you can watch that in the description. I'll put a link in the bottom. Yeah. You know drive? I'll let you try. Oh, this car so bare.
Driving it back, right?
Yeah. 15-inch. It's a 175. Hold on, where is it? 175, 65, 14-inch. So yeah, yeah. I really like the fact that they cut out this part here to improve leg room. Okay, I did that just to show you guys that it's plastic. It's hard plastic. Yeah, it's actually hard plastic everywhere. How do you find the seats?
Not entirely uncomfortable, but it's just not supportive.
Well, but then again, you get all the basic stuff like in this car. At 35,000, what more can you expect, right? There's really nothing more that you can like. Can't complain much, basically. Very functional car.
Great for city use, don't go on the highway.
Oh yeah, I would reckon it's not a. Well, I mean, if you only have this car as your daily commute, right? You don't have a choice. But then for highways, I think it's not that nice to drive because it's only a 1 liter naturally aspirated engine. And I assume that what you meant is that it's quite hard to pick up, right?
I don't know whether it can sustain 100 or 110 that you need.
Yeah. You'll probably be better off cruising at 70 or 80.
I don't think there's a problem at that speed.
But I know somebody one of my friends who drove a Axia at 140 on the highway. Like, what the hell, man? It's not recommended at all. Do not do that in this car. It just doesn't feel that safe. Yeah. But for city use, it's quite good lah. Wow, 咁嘅燈我幾耐冇睇咗。
This reminds me of the old Gachil.
Even our Proton is like that, what?
No lah.
Yeah, in the center.
Proton center is push left, push right guy.
Oh yeah, I don't remember actually. But I really like the indicator sound though. Yeah, very European indicator sound.
Oh, I thought this was actually two pieces, but actually it's one big piece, you see?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Visibility is quite good lah. Although the C pillar is a bit wide, but then yeah, it doesn't hinder any of your I mean it doesn't hinder the visibility of driver.
I'm just too used to screen here that
You thought there's reverse camera, is it?
I'm waiting for the camera.
Hey, be careful. Eh? Oh my god. Is that front sensors?
I don't know.
Oh. But this car has projector lights. If you guys didn't watch the quick look around of this car. Yeah, there's another video of this. Yeah. There's actually projectors. Yo. Yeah, there. It's projector. Right. Good. It's not that noisy as well. Pretty subtle sounding engine. But this car is not properly running yet lah.
It's 60 km on the speedo.
Gosh, only 60 km.
Brand new.
Brand new 2019 Axia. Right. Wait. Loads of leg room at the back, but I don't think you can fit 5 adults in here. It'll be a squeeze if you do. Back pockets for the seats. Look at the boot. You probably fit only one luggage. I think you need to remove these to fit a big luggage as well. Yeah.
I think the seats are foldable. I guess they are foldable.
Really? Yeah.
Yeah, I think the seats are foldable. Yep.
But you need to release both sides.
Yep.
There. Is it flat? Nope, it's not flat. There's a ledge like this. Oh, quite a huge ledge actually. Yeah. Okay, let's put it back. Wait, this side. Okay. So yeah, you probably need 2 person to fold down the seats. Yeah. That's all. Right.
Thank you.
Yeah.